If we want to preview what the site currently looks like, let's open up a new tab and hop over there. All right, awesome. You can see Forest Direct, another WordPress site, Hello World. Super simple. Let's go ahead and install though that theme that we just downloaded a few moments ago and get a custom look for our site. We're going to go over to Appearance, click on Themes, click on Add New. We're going to go to Upload our theme, and I'm just going to drag in File from the bottom download bar and click on Install Now. This will take just a few moments. Once we get a success message here, let's activate this. It says we also need a child theme, so let's go ahead and hit Add New, Load Theme, click our Author Pro here, and hit Install Now. All right, and let's activate that. Awesome. Now, if we come back to our site, click Refresh, we have a whole new look to our site, a lot cleaner here.